We started Waterjet cutting in 2000, the year we founded the company. In 2004, we introduced the PN from WiCAM to be able to program several machines. Then we bought the first 3030 from Trumpf, which we then programmed with WiCAM and then the Waterjet as well. WiCAM offers us a flexible system that can be adapted to all machines. You can adapt it as you need, and you don't have to adopt something preconceived. You can integrate any machine. We cut the sheet with the machine that's best for the sheet and for the product. We cut with Waterjet, laser, plasma, and oxyacetylene. And we also have a machining department, which means we can also drill and mill. And then we can choose the product you need, the cheapest, fastest, and best production process. We've built our own internet store, and we have the calculation tool from WiCAM. We send our DXF to WiCAM server and get the weight, the outer dimensions, and the running time back. Everything else we calculate ourselves. In the future, the customer's warehouse will be able to order automatically from the webshop at some point, and then it will also be much easier for the customer. We're working on the digital infrastructure now so that we can automate more in 5 or 10 years.